Ryan Breton joins us with our forecast. I'll say I was surprised that all of a sudden that jumped to a Category 2 storm.
So was I. I had the
Very
same reaction.
intense.
It was going right up to landfall. That it was, kind of trying to organize, but wasn't sure if there'd be enough time.
Well, it did.
Fortunately, our weather couldn't be any more different. We'll talk
big
more
swing.
about Francine in a minute, but around here today, we had a big jump in temperature. We were mentioning earlier, you definitely needed a sweatshirt or jacket this morning. Freiburg got down to 36, but a sign of how dry the air was, we jumped by 42 degrees up to 78 for the high temperature there today. We still have plenty of good weather ahead. A little change tomorrow in that there may be some wildfire smoke that mixes with the sun, but it should be high up in the atmosphere. And then just a small chance for a shower on Friday. And for the weekend into next week, looks like this nice stretch of weather will continue. Right now it's 74 in Bangor, 76 in Freiburg. There has been a little sea breeze as we expected on the coastline, so upper 60s to low 70s there, but still very, very pleasant with all the sun that's in place. Big area of high pressure dominating our weather, and actually another one is behind it, and this will hold Francine to our south. Sometimes when you have a landfalling tropical system in the Gulf, it can come up here with its moisture in just a couple of days. That won't happen this time. But around these areas of high pressure, they're guiding the smoke in the upper atmosphere toward us. So I think tomorrow afternoon, you may notice the sun is filtered a little bit by some of that smoke, but it will be high up in the atmosphere and shouldn't have any impact on air quality. As for tonight, very nice evening out there. It will cool down, but not quite as chilly as last night. I think most of us drop into the 40s by tomorrow morning. I don't think we'll have many 30s, unlike this morning. And then during the day tomorrow, it's maybe a couple of degrees warmer, closing in on 80 in spots, with a few clouds passing through, and again, some of that wildfire smoke mixing with the sun as well. This particular model trying to show a shower or two up north, but it wouldn't be anything worse than that. So tomorrow we get to 76 in Portland, 79 in Bangor, 80 the warm spot in Sanford, and Calais too tomorrow, by the way. Tomorrow night we'll have a partly cloudy sky, and then on Friday a weak front comes down, which may result in a couple of showers, but it doesn't look like a big deal, and it should be warm on Friday with us getting to right around 80 in many spots with just a passing shower or quick downpour with this weakening front that comes down from the north. Behind that, another area of high pressure builds in, and that's important for us because otherwise we'd be looking at least some rain with what's left of Francine, as it's making landfall now as a Category 2 storm with winds to 100 miles per hour. But look at the forecast going forward. Because that high builds south, it actually holds the storm over the southeast. Good for us, bad for them, in that it means days of rain through this part of the country. But for us, we just continue in this nice stretch. Marine forecast seas around 2 feet, southwesterly wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming southerly tomorrow afternoon. So a beautiful stretch of weather continues. Maybe a little haze tomorrow afternoon with some of that wildfire smoke, a brief shower on Friday, and then early next week, Brian and Amanda.
Wow.
Right now, it looks pretty good. This is a special stretch around here.
Sneaking
For
off to the
September,
beach.
for
Yeah,
sure.
you bet.
Sounds like a great idea. All right, Ryan, thank you.